We're going to take a look at the first step setup of the Q series panel. Specifically, we will turn it on for the first time. To start, first choose your language. English will be selected by default. When you have chosen your language, click on Next. Now you can choose your device name. You can skip this step if you want, or you can name your device. In the following step, you can select the network. Now you can choose the theme. We have a wide selection of themes to start. Then you can finally choose the passkey. This has to be a 6-digit number code for the owner of the account. You have to do it again to verify. Please read our terms and conditions and sign it by clicking OK. This last step will tell you the version you're currently in. Now you can click on Finalize and you're ready to start.